Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Me Madiha Yasin from grade 9, student of Al-Habib Public School, wishing you a happy Eid al-Fitr. On this blessed day of Eid, I pray that Allah shower His blessings upon you and your family. On this joy of this festival, may Allah fulfill your family with a lot of happiness.
नई सुबह नई खुशियाँ ईद ने सबको अपना बना लिया. ईद is the beautiful journey of faith, love, light and smiles shining in every street and in every heart. हर तरफ खुशियों का रंग है. ईद का यही खूबसूरत संग है. Thank you.
As the holy month of Ramadan concludes, may this auspicious day of Eid al-Fitr bring a beautiful sense of peace, harmony and renew your heart. Today I am here to greet you the blessings of Eid al-Fitr. May your heart be filled with peace and your home with blessings, and bring this Eid peace, prosperity and endless blessings to your life. Wishing you a very happy Eid al-Fitr. Thank you.
Wishing you an exceptionally splendid Eid, overflow with boundless joy and prosperity with divine blessing. May this occasion illuminate your path with success and serenity.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the magic of Eid al-Fitr brings you and your family happiness and good health. Eid Mubarak to all Muslims from Al-Habib Public School.
Stop! What's happening? Eid. Eid is a day of joy, love and gratitude. It brings our family together and share happiness and kindness.
Eid is a major festival of Muslims. It's celebrated in India and many other countries. It falls on the next day of month of Ramadan. Thank you. Eid is a major festival of Muslims. It's celebrated in India and many other countries. It falls on the next day month of Ramadan.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Eid Mubarak to all our dear students, teachers and parents. May this blessed day bring the peace, prosperity and happiness in your life. Thank you.